All right, so for this how to blend your video, it's just a continuation of pretty much the extrude, but I want to cut it in two just to get some more focus. All right, so from what we learned before, um, how to select different faces in a circular pattern. So let's see, we are going to select this face and this face. I think Control Shift Alt. Oh, that doesn't work, remember? So select that face and select that face, and then Shift Control and then the number plus button, and that gets that. All right, and so we're gonna do the same thing to this. Shift plus 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 plus. All right, and that's kind of what we want right here. All right, so once we've selected both, or we can do one individually, it just depends on us. Anyway, so once that's selected, instead of pressing E to extrude, we're gonna select the extrude over here, but let me show you why. So if we try to extrude, like it'll extrude in one direction or the other. It's very limited. Yeah. So we need to extrude, but with what do you call it? Circular motion, and take it into account. So we select those, and then we go to extrude region, go with extrude along normals, and then we use this little yellow tool to go in and out, so we can extrude outward but in a circular uniform manner, and hope that helps you understand how to extrude in circular fashion without like running into those other extrude issues. So yeah, it's pretty cool, right? All right. And again, if you want, maybe we can just try it on this faces. So Shift plus plus plus, and so extruding with normals, outward or inward like this. That's pretty cool, right? If you take that off and then just go back, extrude region, then honestly it's just based on your direction. So I hope you take that into consideration when you extrude things, especially in circular or straightforward manner. All right, best of luck, hope this helps.